Okay, this is the continuing saga of the 2009 Ford Focus with no crank, no start issues. I found something interesting today, that if I flip the key over, sometimes it does not start, and if I flip the key over, it will suddenly start. Let's see if we can reproduce that. So here's the key. If I put the Ford emblem facing away from me and put the key in the ignition, turn it, no start. Try it a few times. Okay, if I take the key, flip it over, Ford emblem facing me, put the key in the ignition, starts up. Sounds a little rough. So that's something interesting. I can try my wife's key. It seems more like it's the opposite. So if I have the Ford logo facing forward, no start. So then I'll flip her key over, Ford emblem away from me. There we go. But now, about half time it starts. So it's a little bit more finicky with her key. Anybody have any idea what that is?